everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and I'm sure you guys are having a wonderful time with your family. Keep that Christmas spirit going on because this video is going to make you run to the kitchen and grab some Oreos to make some awesome Oreo ornaments. Enjoy!
Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep.
Merry Christmas everyone! So yes, I'm dressed up. I'm not going anywhere, but you know why not? Because it's Christmas! Merry Christmas! I'm gonna try these cookies that I made with Oreo. They look fire. I'm gonna guess they're so pretty. They look like, well, they are Oreo ornaments and they are so damn cute. I'm gonna try these and let's see. Oh my god, these are so good. Look at the inside. That's perfect. Yummy! Merry Christmas!